Hi everybody, this is Eduardo Amaya. I am today with my business partner Humberto Gomez. We had a new project, legal duplex conversion of Clímaco Hernandez.
Yeah, this is one of our clients, investor clients, just bought this property and they are turning it into a duplex, as Eduardo said. They're gonna be two separate units and you're gonna see the inside now, how it looks. You saw the property and you're gonna see in a few months how that transformation is gonna take place.
We are going to show you all the numbers, this incredible job that Clímaco Hernandez will do it. Thank you very much for following us, and please share this video, and if you want any information you are free to contact us. Take care, bye now.